100 push-ups a day. How it impacted my overall health and body transformation.
Embarking on a daily routine of 100 push-ups can be a transformative journey
that not only affects your physical strength, but also has a profound impact on your overall health.
Here's a narrative illustrating the potential changes you might experience during this fitness endeavor. Physical transformative, initial weeks.
Struggling to complete the daily quota, muscles ache, and fatigue sets in.
Gradual improvement in form and strength as your body adapts to the routine. Weeks 4-8, noticeable changes in muscle definition, especially in the chest, shoulders, and triceps.
Increased stamina and the ability to complete more push-ups in a single set.
Clothes fitting differently as your body begins to tone and sculpt.
Months to 4, enhanced core strength and improved posture due to the engagement of stabilizing muscles.
Greater endurance leads to the possibility of exploring different push-up variations.
Increased metabolic rate contributing to potential fat loss. Overall health, cardiovascular health. Improved cardiovascular endurance as your heart becomes more efficient in pumping blood.
Enhanced blood circulation benefits overall cardiovascular health. Joint and bone health. Strengthening of bones and joints, especially in the wrists, elbows, and shoulders.
Better joint stability as supporting muscles get strengthened over time.
Energy levels. Increased energy levels and overall vitality as physical activity stimulates endorphin release. Improved sleep quality, aiding in recovery and overall well-being. Mental and emotional well-being. Stress relief. Daily physical activity acts as a powerful stress reliever, reducing cortisol levels. The rhythmic nature of push-ups can have a meditative effect, promoting mental clarity. Improved confidence. Achieving a daily goal fosters a sense of accomplishment, boosting confidence. Positive body image as you witness the positive changes in your physique.
Discipline and routine. Establishing a daily fitness routine cultivates discipline and consistency.
The commitment to completing 100 push-ups daily instills a strong sense of routine in your life. Challenges and adjustments. Plateaus. Facing plateaus is natural. However, overcoming them adds to mental resilience. Incorporating variations, increasing intensity, or adjusting the workout routine helps overcome stagnation.
Recovery. Understanding the importance of rest days and recovery to prevent burnout and overtraining.
Incorporating stretching or yoga to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness.
Sustaining theobit. Month 6 and beyond, the 100 push-up routine becomes a sustainable part of your lifestyle.
Exploring new fitness goals and challenges to keep the journey exciting.
Continual improvement and adaptation to maintain the long-term benefits.
Key learnings. Holistic impact. Their journey is not just about the physical transformation, but also mental and emotional well-being.
Learning to listen to your body, recognizing the important